Song number 22, I See a Star. In this piece, the first line has 2 half notes in 1 bar, which means a half note gets 2 beats. So you're going to do 1, 2, up, 2, down, 2, up, 2. In the second line, you also have half notes, but you have an F sharp half notes. Remember that the F sharp that we have been studying in class is on the E string, which is the highest string, this one, and you put your first finger, index finger, on the first tape closest to the scroll. And that is the F sharp. Here we go. Playing position, please. Get your thumb in place. Make sure you have a whole space underneath the thumb. Your bow hold is ready with your fingers spread apart, and I'm going to put my bow at the frog on the A string. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. F sharp. Up. Bow. Open E. Rest. Rest. Freeze. And then put your violin down.